Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Rocket Mortgage. Review my US online mortgage application experience. Rocket Mortgage offers an online platform for applying for a mortgage in the US. It's aimed at anyone looking to purchase or refinance a home and wants a streamlined, digital-first experience. Key features include online application, document upload, and real-time tracking of your loan status. Their website provides details on different mortgage options, including fixed rate, adjustable rate, FHA, and VA loans. They emphasize speed and convenience, promising a potentially faster closing process than traditional lenders. They also highlight their online resources and tools designed to simplify the often complex mortgage process. Availability is generally nationwide, but it's always recommended to check their website for the most up-to-date information. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Rocket Mortgage. Getting started was surprisingly easy. I created an account, answered some basic questions about my finances, and uploaded the necessary documents, all within about 30 minutes. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly laid out each step of the process, from pre-approval to closing. I could easily see where I was in the timeline, what documents were still needed, and communicate directly with my loan officer through the platform. One feature I really appreciated was the built-in mortgage calculator. It allowed me to play around with different loan amounts, interest rates, and down payment options to see how they impacted my monthly payments. This gave me a much clearer understanding of my affordability range. Performance-wise, the platform was generally quick and responsive. I did experience a slight delay once when uploading a large document, but it wasn't a major issue. I had a quick question about my estimated closing costs, and their support team responded within a few hours via email, which was helpful. One minor drawback was the occasional promotional email, which felt a little excessive, but easily manageable. The standout feature for me was definitely the real-time tracking and clear communication, making the entire process feel less stressful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my Rocket Mortgage experience. It made applying for a mortgage much less daunting than I anticipated. That's my overview of Rocket Mortgage. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.